to get off our bicycle and push it. Raiden, who's that? Oh, is someone cutting hair? Oh, does she usually cut hair here? Yeah, but sometimes she go away. I don't know why, but she cuts hair very good. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Keep going. We need to slow down here. Raiden, what are those? Those are cows. So did they poop in the barn or something? And maybe, smelly. Let's keep on going. Okay. Is this Long Valley Nature Park? Oh no, this is just a regular farm. Long Valley Nature Park is, I think, straight ahead or something. Oh, then what does it make? It makes some vegetables. Yay! So every day I can go here and steal some vegetables and cook dinner. No, you can't. You're not a thief. And let's keep going. Okay. We're finally here. We're at Long Valley Nature Park. Look at the view inside. This place usually closes at 5 p.m. So come before 5 p.m. or you'll be sad. Bye-bye, everyone.